Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the President JFK 3 FCC AM/FM Trucker CB radio. A high-performance CB radio designed for serious truckers and communications enthusiasts. The JFK 3 brings a blend of classic functionality and modern upgrades in a compact, OEM truck-sized package, making it perfect for fitting seamlessly into any standard truck dashboard slot. Right off the bat, you'll notice the radio's front-firing speaker. This isn't just about sound. It comes with a unique flashing RX/TX indicator that ensures you can see when you're transmitting or receiving signals. It's a thoughtful design for those long hours on the road, giving you both audio clarity and a visual cue. Coupled with the enhanced microphone, which allows for up and down channel control, as well as activation and deactivation right from the mic, the JFK 3 puts convenience at your fingertips. You can switch channels or mute the mic without ever taking your eyes off the road. The JFK 3 isn't just about communication, it's about staying informed. With its built-in NOAA weather channel, you'll receive timely alerts and stay ahead of changing conditions, which is critical for anyone traveling long distances. The illuminated keys and backlit 7-color display make it easy to operate even in low-light conditions, whether it's early morning or late at night. You can customize the display colors for optimal visibility and personal style, which is a subtle but appreciated touch. Connectivity is another strong suit for this CB radio. It features a USB port, allowing you to charge mobile devices on the go, which adds a layer of practicality to your driving setup. The unit supports all 40 AM/FM channels, providing full coverage for CB communication, and includes features like ASC, noise filtering, and scan skip, ensuring smooth operation and reducing interference from unwanted signals. Whether you're using it for personal communication, road safety, or fleet coordination, the JFK 3 handles it all. In terms of build, the JFK 3 is water-resistant and measures just under 7 inches wide, 7 inches deep, and 2 inches tall, making it compact but robust. The radio comes with a mounting bracket, a fused power cord, a mic hanger clip, and a user manual, so you have everything needed to get started right out of the box. Overall, the President JFK 3 FCC AM/FM Trucker CB radio combines a practical, truck-ready design with modern features like a flashing speaker, customizable display, weather alerts, and USB charging. It's a radio built for truckers who need reliability, clarity, and a touch of style in their communication equipment. Whether you're on a cross-country haul or just navigating local routes, this CB radio brings convenience, safety, and performance to your dashboard. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews.